can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Injective. How high can Injective go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Injective is up 7.5% over the last 1 week. It's up 13% over the last 1 month. And over the last 1 year, Injective has lost 53% of its value. In this video, look at Injective performance against the US dollar, Injective's performance against Bitcoin, Injective's performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at Injective's market cap, which currently sits around the $1.25 billion level. How high can we possibly go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Injective, with a market cap of $1.28 billion, has a fully diluted market cap of $1.28 billion. It has 101,000 holders. With a 24-hour trading volume of around $100 million, Injective's all-time high happened on the 14th of March 2024, trading for as high as $52.75. Right now, Injective is down 75% from that all-time highs. Injective is the first and only blockchain built for finance. It is an open, interoperable layer 1 blockchain powering next-generation finance application, including DeFi, real-world assets, AI, decentralized exchange, prediction market, lending protocols, and more. If you want to get some Injective for yourself, guys, where can you get it? You can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Upbit, on BitGet, on MixGet, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Injective right there. Injective over the last 1 month has seen a 13% gain. Good times are returning back to the altcoin market. Injective is one of the altcoins that are enjoying in those good times. Let's go back in time, see what Injective has done throughout its life history. After Injective was launched in October of 2020, what happened? We saw it pumping aggressively to the moon. In 182 days after it was launched, we saw Injective rallying up by more than 3,000%. Altcoins can be very volatile. They can be volatile in the right direction. If you buy them early, they can give you huge gains. $1,000 invested in Injective in just 6 months would have given you over $36,000. But it doesn't stop there, because these altcoins are very volatile in both directions. You could easily buy them at the wrong time, and your $36,000 could always turn to $360, because we saw Injective go from as high as $24. We saw Injective losing around 95% of its value. That's very crazy, but that's very normal in the altcoin market. Altcoins dumping in the bear market is usually what you expect. After the boom come the bust, and we've seen Injective go through multiple bust and boom cycles. I don't think this time will be different. We saw it dumping 95%. That was the 2022 bear market, and then came Injective getting ready for that 2023 bull market run. We saw Injective pump from the $1 level where it was trading in July of 2022. We have seen it rally to an all-time high where it got to in March of 2024, where it traded for as high as $51, giving us a 4,600% return in 616 days, which meant $1,000 invested in Injective would have returned over $46,000, which is very crazy if you think about it, but that's a regular occurrence in the altcoin market. And since March of 2024, Injective has been in a downtrend. We have seen it giving back some of those gains. We have seen it lose around 87% of its value, and I believe alt season is around the corner. I believe that final pump is around the corner, and we have seen Injective go from $6 to $12. The final pump might even see us go higher than that, and that final pump can be very closer than we think. Now, for Injective to get to new all-time highs from where we're currently trading, guys, that will require some huge pumps. That will require Injective to go up by more than 300%, which is very possible, which can happen very quickly. Key levels to watch out for Injective. As we're rallying to higher prices, as we attempt to get to new all-time highs, the most important level to watch out for will be the $35 level. We saw Injective getting there in December of 2024. We got rejected there, which means there's a strong resistance there. If we're very lucky and we can rally above that $35 level, we'll still have the all-time highs to contend with, which is around that $52 level. These are 2 resistance levels that might stop us from getting to new all-time highs. If we can get to any of them, that will be good risk to reward ratio, because if you think about it, guys, from the bottom of the bear market, if you're selling your Injective, even at the $13 level, you're up around 900%. If you wait till we get to $35, you're up more than 2,800%. If you're waiting for the previous all-time highs, you want to be up over 4,000% before you're selling for some sweet profit. It's only in the meme coin market you can see this kind of outrageous gains. Let's look at how Injective is performing against the king of the market, Bitcoin. Now, against Bitcoin, all coins are known to pump aggressively when the market is bullish, but the downside is that against Bitcoin, they are known to dump aggressively. And that's what I've seen Injective do over the years. When it's pumping against Bitcoin, it has those kind of crazy pumps, 800% pump right here, ending in 2021 against Bitcoin. And then the bear market came. What did Injective do in that bear market? We saw it dumping aggressively, losing 87% of its value. And then when the bull market rolled around, we saw Injective pumping again, this time around to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, rallying by over 1,700%. But right now, against Bitcoin, Injective is in a bear market phase. Injective has been bearish since March of 2024. We have seen it over the last 476 days lose 91% of its value against Bitcoin. I think there's a reversal for Injective against Bitcoin very near. We've seen a lot of altcoins pumping since the 7th of April. I'll not be shocked if that pump ends in July. But guys, the higher we go, the more you should sell for some sweet profit. Injective, there's no guarantees that we might see it go back to new all-time highs against Bitcoin. We could easily see it rally up to the 0.00038 ratio place against Bitcoin. But there's no guarantees. A lot of altcoins set new all-time highs against Bitcoin before the end of the market cycle. And by the time we're getting to the end of the market cycle, by the time market participants are buying, thinking, you know what, we have to go back to all-time highs, they'll be left holding the bag. So a 200 to a 300% pump for Injective against Bitcoin is very understandable. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, there's greed in cryptocurrency market. Yesterday there was greed. Yesterday the market sentiment was neutral. Last week there was greed. Last month there was greed. Bitcoin trading above $100,000, which tells us that maybe, just maybe, we are very get close to the end of the market cycle. Think about it, guys. Bitcoin started at $1. Right now it's trading over $100,000. We've seen sentiment in the cryptocurrency market go from extreme fear over the last 3 months. We have almost got into extreme greed. We even got to extreme greed on the 23rd of May 2025 when Bitcoin got to that $112,000 level. So I'll not be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see all coins like Injective outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you look at Injective performance against Ethereum, it also topped in December of 2023. Since then, Injective have been losing value drastically against Ethereum. Right now it's down 77% against Ethereum. In the end of the market cycle, historically, all coins outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I'll be expecting Injective to also join in that party of outperformance. Maybe nothing crazy, maybe no all-time highs, but I expect Injective to have one final exit pump. And guys, that's where you want to be selling. You want to be buying when the market is very low, when there's extreme fear in the market, and when we start seeing signs of extreme greed, when we start seeing signs that smart money is leaving, that's when you want to sell for some sweet profit. And I believe when we see a pump in altcoin market over the next few days and the next few weeks, when you see altcoins giving us double-digit gains on a daily time frame, that will be a good time to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Injective market cap, which is at the $1.28 billion level, we've seen the market cap go to an all-time high of around $4.9 billion. That happened in March of 2024. I'll not be shocked if we cannot get to new all-time highs. Important levels to watch out for. First will be where we stopped in December of 2024, which is around $3.3 billion level. For Injective to get there from where we are currently trading, guys, we need Injective to rally up by around 170%, which is possible, which can happen very quickly. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Injective? Do you believe we'll continue seeing Injective rally in the coming days and the coming weeks? How high do you possibly think it can go before the dump to goblet tower begins? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.